Hello students! Do you had a good break time? Very good. Now let's start our lesson. Let's go! Today we are going to learn phonics. The objectives of our lesson is to recognize and say words with A sound. To blend the words correctly. Now, teacher hope that you remember what teacher have teach you, but now let's do a short recap. When two vowels are placed together, they make one sound. Very good. So here A and Y together make A sound. Remember, when two vowels go for a walk, the first one does the talking. Meanwhile, the second one will keep silent. For example, here we have A and Y. So the A will do the talking while the Y will keep silent. So the sound will be A. A, Y, A. Now let's take out our Phonics Reader 4 book. And today we are going to do page number 4 and 5. Don't forget to grab a pencil and eraser with you. Now students, let's turn to page number 4. Very good. Now let's take your pencil and write today's day, Thursday, and today's date, 24 June 2021. Good job. A, Y, A. Now let's read some words there. A-Y-A. A-Y-A in hey. H-A. Hey. Hey. Students, do you know what is hay? Yes, hay is grass that are dried and is used for food. For cows and horses. Good. Now let's take your pencil and circle the A-Y-A sound. Well done. Now the second picture. What can you see? Yes, it's a bird that looks like a crow. So what's that? A in J. 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 A. Y. J. J is a bird that looks like a crow and it has a blue feathers in its wings or tails. Can you see that? Good. Now teacher is going to circle the A-Y-A sound in J. Well done. Now, what can you see in the third picture there? The boy is giving money to a ant there. Now, let's read the word and find out what's that. Pay. A in pay. Pay. So what is pay, students? Do you know what is pay? Yes, pay is giving money for the things we buy. Good job. Now take your pencil and circle A-Y-A sound in pay. Yes, the next one. Ray. Ray. R-A-Y. Ray. Good. What is ray? Can you see the arrow there? It's showing the line from the sun. Yes, it's a line where the light comes straight from the sun. Now, before we go to the next picture, let's circle the word A. A. The next picture, it's a clay. C L A Y, clay. And can you see in the picture? Yes, a clay is stiff and it's taken from the earth and can be molded when it is wet. We can make bricks, potteries, ceramics with clay. Good. So, can you help teacher to circle the A sound? Very good. The next picture. A girl and a boy is playing with the ball. Yes, the word is play. P L A Y, play. Do you love to play? Yes, play is a time of our recreation or enjoyment. Most of it is related to sports. Very good. Now let's circle AY, A sound. Good job, students. Now let's move on to the next picture. We have two more. So, the next picture, tray. T R A Y, tray. Do you know what is a tray? Tray is a flat container used to carry food or drink. Good. Now, let's circle AY, A sound together. Well done, children. Now, the last picture for today. What's that? It's a hand with a bottle. Yes, it's spray. S-P-R-A-Y, spray. Do you know what is spray? Spray is sprinkling something from a bottle. Very good. Now, let's circle together the A-Y-A sound. Good job, children. Now, can you read these words too? We have another 5 words. Let's read and understand what are these words. The first one, bay. B-A-Y, bay. What is a bay? Yes, bay is something near a sea that have a land curve inwards. Good. The next one, day. D-A-Y, day. Do you remember how many days we have in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Very good. The next word, May. M-A-Y, May. May is something you say to ask or give permission. For example, you can ask teacher, may I go to toilet, teacher? Yes, very good. The next word, say. S-A-Y, say. And the last one, weigh. W-A-Y, weigh. Good job, students. Now let's turn to page number 5. Now let's read together. Can you see the picture there? There's an uncle working as a cashier and a girl and a boy buying food. Now let's read. It is Sunday. May and Ray go to Mr. Day's shop. Now let's read one more time. It is Sunday. May and Ray go to Mr. Day's shop. So what can we see? It's a Sunday. So the boy and girl named May and Ray go to Mr. Day's shop. They buy food from Mr. Day's shop. Now let's read the down part. Mr. Day sells fish and chips. So what it means? Mr. Day sells fish and chips. Mr. Day puts some fish and chips on May's and Ray's trays. So May and Ray's have trays. So Mr. Day put their food, fish and chips on the tray. May and Ray pay Mr. Day for the fish and chips. Yummy, say Ray and May. Ray and May love the food and they pay to Mr. Day for the food. Good job, students. Now take out our Phonics Smart Activity book. We are going to do page number 4 and 5. Page number 4. Now let's write today's day, Thursday, and today's date, 24 June 2021. Now let's read the instruction given. Fill in each box with the correct word. We have 6 answers there. Now let's read one by one. Play. P-L-A-Y, play. Clay. C-L-A-Y, clay. Spray. S-P-R-A-Y, spray. Hay. H-A-Y, hay. J. J-A-Y, jay. And tray. T-R-A-Y, tray. Good job. Now, let's see the first picture. What can you see in the picture? Yes, it's a thing that is used to carry foods. So what is that called? Good, it's a tray. How do you spell a tray, students? T-R-A-Y, tray. Well done. Now let's cross out the answer tray. Now the next picture. The girl is using a bottle to sprinkle something. To sprinkle water to the flower. So what you say that? Yes, it's spray. So S-P-R-A-Y, spray. Remember, students, to write your answers neatly in the box. Well done. Now cross out spray. So well done, students. Teacher have helped you to answer 2 pictures there. Now can you do picture number? Now can you do another 4 pictures there? The first one looks like a bird, and the second one is molding something that is wet, and the third picture looks like a grass, and the fourth picture looks like the boy is playing something. So can you answer all the 4 pictures? And remember to cross out your answers after you have written the answers. Now let's turn to page number 5. Rearrange the letters to form the correct words. Then write the words in the blanks to complete the sentence. So we are going to read the sentence and rearrange the word there to make it a complete sentence. Now let's see picture number 1. There is grasses inside the leaf. So let's read. There is empty line in the lift. So what is the best answer to fill up the empty line? We have H, Y, A. Remember, we are studying A, Y, A sound word. Yes, there is hay in the lift. A, Y, A. A in the lift. Well done, students. The next picture. It's a bird and it looks like a crow. There is a blanks in the nest. So what is the best answer? Yes, there is a J. Yes, there is a J in the nest. A in J. A in J. There is a J in the nest. Good job, students. Now let's see that teacher have helped you to do picture number 1 and picture number 2. Now you have to complete picture number 3 and picture number 4. Can you do that, students? Yes, very good. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Now let's keep your book inside and have a short break to drink some water.